Welcome to our video on auto assessments. Discover how it simplifies your tax matters. SARS will automatically select taxpayers using relevant information from third-party entities, such as employers, financial institutions, and fund administrators, for example, pension funds, medical schemes, and any other third-party entities to assess the income tax returns. This process simplifies the tax assessment process, as you can skip the queue and it takes away all your tax worries, benefiting you as the taxpayer, as SARS has done it for you. SARS utilizes reliable third-party data providers to guarantee that assessments precisely represent your tax obligations or refunds. You will be notified via SMS or email about your selection and your assessment. If you are uncertain whether you have been selected for an auto assessment, please refer to our SARS online query system after the 30th of June, available on the SARS website. Select the My Auto Assessment Status tab and complete all your relevant personal details. Once you have verified the CAPTCHA verification, the outcome will be displayed. You can select to receive your confirmation via SMS or email. Upon receiving your notice of assessment, you may review the details through various channels, including e-filing, the SARS online query system, and the SARS Mobi app. If your assessment indicates due to you, it means you qualify for a refund. SARS will process your refund within 72 hours, provided your bank details are valid and you are tax compliant. Remember, if you have previous outstanding amounts with no payment arrangements or forfeit the arrangement, the refund will first be utilized to settle your outstanding debt. However, if you owe SARS money, you must make a payment before the due date shown on the notice of assessment. Payment can be made via SARS e-filing, SARS Mobi app, or through your bank using payment reference number showing on your notice of assessment. If your assessment is incorrect or the information is incomplete, log into your e-filing profile or use your SARS mobile app to update and submit the tax return to SARS before the due date, as announced annually in the Government Gazette. This will allow SARS to issue a revised assessment if necessary. Additional information can be found on the SARS website and SARS TV on YouTube regarding how to access, complete, and submit your income tax return, ITR 12. Kindly submit your tax return before the 20th of October if you are a non-provisional taxpayer and the 19th of January 2026 if you are a provisional taxpayer. SARS remains your dedicated partner in navigating the path of modern taxation. SARS at your service.